Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use any song as iPhone's ringtone on iPhone. So guys, if you want to know how to use any song as iPhone's ringtone on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, as you can see this, there is no option to add other tunes in ringtone section from here to add or set as ringtone. Since there is no option, you have to simply go back to your home screen and then you have to simply download any ringtone on your device in files. So guys, simply download any ringtone from the websites and they will be saved in your files. Simply open the files and here you will see that ringtone. You have to simply tap on that, and once you are here you can also play this. And now you have to simply set it as ringtone from here. So guys, here you can see the button to share. Simply tap on this and here you will see the use as ringtone option. Simply tap on this and from here you can easily use this tune as your iPhone's ringtone. So as you can see this, in this way you can also use any song as iPhone's ringtone on your Apple devices. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.